I'm going to be showing you some slime time. A family member just came up to me and said, "Take the bag." It was a girl. I just did a boy voice, but it's not messy slime. I can tell you that. It might get messy. I'll just put it like this. It's just not messy. And then I'll form it in a ball. This is the slime. It has glitter in it, so be careful because it might get on your hands. I say this in every video that I did. Check out JJ Kitty Cat. It's a good film and stuff. Like, it's great. Okay, and here's the slime forming it into a ball. Oh gosh, I keep losing droplet. Little chiclet. Okay, this is in the ball, and if you let it sit in the bag for a few minutes, it'll come flat again. And you don't have to smash it or anything, put anything on it, just let it sit in the bag. Got a yellow Ziploc bag for some reason. It's kind of my family gets. Now, if I let it sit for a little bit, see, look at that. It's already flat. So, that's the end of this video. See you guys next time on Pink. Bye.